Hello everyone, welcome to Teluguone Food Kitchen Stories with Soumya. Today we are at Brewtiful along with the co-owner Dost. Hi Dost, thank you for being on our show. What dish are you going to show us today?
So I think we're going to be showing you sautéed mushrooms, a mushroom and cheese croissant.
Okay.
And so we're going to start by showing you what all is here.
Okay.
And I hope that you don't copy my recipes. And
No, but
start
if
a coffee
it's
shop
really-
of your own later on.
I'm sure my viewers won't be doing that, but if it's something very easy to make, I'm sure they'll all make it at home and they'll be very happy to.
Yeah, that's
but
true.
at the same time, I want you all to visit this place and taste it and not just keep making it at home, right?
Yeah.
So what all do we start with first?
So
Mushrooms?
first things first, we'll have a sip of coffee. Did you get a coffee for yourself?
I already did, thank
You
you.
should
But
try- you
thank
should
you
try
for not
the-
offering me one again, but it's all right.
Yeah, you should try the flat white. It's really nice. And
Okay.
the Americano is also
You
really good.
please
Yeah,
have
I'll take
it.
a sip.
Please do.
So yeah, first we have over here is mushrooms,
Okay.
raw mushrooms. Okay, so you see, it's
Is
all,
there any specific
farm.
reason you're using these kind of mushrooms?
Yeah, these are all farm fresh mushrooms
Okay.
that we procure, and we're very particular about our products. So each and every product that we procure is checked and then sent out into the kitchen for being sautéed.
Okay. Shall I
So-
add it?
Yeah, you can start by adding them. First, we start with the onions
okay.
and the chopped garlic that's
Okay.
kept here.
Okay.
So the essentials of the mushroom croissant sandwich is obviously the cheese and the cream cheese as well.
Okay.
Along with that, what we have.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll start with the sautéing of the mushroom. So first, you
Okay.
can start by adding some
I'll
onions.
add everything.
Yeah,
Okay. And now some garlic.
and then some garlic. Yeah.
Okay.
So always advisable to wear gloves while you're working.
Okay.
And yeah, so it's being more hygienic with the
Of course.
food.
Next, what goes in next?
And next, the most essential part is adding some bit of a tinge of olive oil.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
And you can start by adding a little bit. Now what we're going to do is we're going to saute them.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to mix it for a few minutes.
Okay.
And then what's going to happen is then you're going to add the mushrooms to it.
Okay.
Okay?
So after adding all
Can you
this,
smell the mushrooms?
so after adding all this, we cook it for a while.
Yeah, you cook it for a few minutes and then you add the raw mushrooms into it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Can we just add the
Salt and pepper? Yeah, sure. How much salt do you like?
Quite less.
Quite less. And a bit of pepper.
Okay.
And then you keep stir frying it, keep mixing it.
So add the mushrooms now.
Yep.
Okay. About this much.
Yeah.
All right.
You can add a few more.
Okay. So once we mix all this, we let it sit for some time and then we cook it.
Yep.
Okay.
So now we let it settle down a bit.
Okay.
Get to blend them together with each
Okay.
other. The onions and the mushrooms become good friends, and then you send it to the induction. We
All
add it
right.
in the
So now
induction.
we'll let it sit for about 5 minutes, and after this we cook. Let us see what happens in the cooking.
Yeah.
So now that we have sauteed these mushrooms, you're going to stuff this into the bread.
Yeah, into the croissant.
Croissant. Okay. Done.
Okay. So first we take the croissant and then we're gonna cut it into half. Always
Okay.
use a bread knife for this, so
Okay.
the cutting is more easier and smoother.
Okay.
And you just slit the croissant up.
Wow. Okay. Okay. So you just directly stuff, or you have to mix again something?
So first, the next step is now we use the butter knife.
Uh-huh.
We take the cheese
Uh-huh.
and we apply it on the sides of the croissant.
Okay.
Okay. So once you've applied the cream cheese, you can apply it on both the sides if
Okay.
you want.
Okay.
now what you're going to do is you take a few mushrooms.
Okay.
These are the sautéed mushrooms after the sauteing part.
Okay.
So you can smell the caramelized
I know.
onions mixed with the mushrooms.
Smell అదిరిపోతుందండి చెప్తున్నాను కదా.
Yeah. Already feeling hungry.
Yes. And now we add this.
Yeah. So
how much?
what you do is you can add a few spoons of the cheese.
Okay.
A bit more. Perfect. Yeah. And now you can mix it.
ఇది ఇలా రెండు యాడ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత బాగా మిక్స్ చేయాలి సో దట్ ఇట్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇందాక సాటే చేసిన మష్రూమ్ మిక్స్ని ఇందులో టోటల్గా చేసి దెన్ యూ కెన్ సీ హౌ creamy it's looking now. So what do we do after that? Now we stuff this into the
now
croissant.
We're going to add them back into the croissant.
Okay.
So you're going to open the croissant. You'll open the croissant back.
Okay.
And now you can add the mushroom and cheese.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, and you can spread it evenly across.
Okay. Do we need to do it like both the sides or just one side?
Just one side.
Okay. So after this we just...
And then you close the croissant back.
Okay. And it
and
goes
you
in
just
for...
level it. Don't press it because what will that do is it'll stuff the croissant into a smashed one.
Okay.
So and now we're gonna put it in the oven for baking.
Okay. చెప్పారు కదా, now we're going to bake it for a while and we'll come back.
That's the croissant.
Smell adiripoyindi. I can't wait to dig into this. Let's go. So those, what brought you towards, what's your background? Even before we talk about what made you start Brewtiful, let's talk about your background. Are you into food? Are you a family that's been into food? Is food your business? How did it start?
Well, actually, if you think about my background, it is nowhere related to food because I'm more of a finance-oriented guy.
Wow.
Yeah, I've done my entire education in finance-based. But food is something that's always been something that I was, you could say, more than food, I was a lot into coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. So
no wonder all through when we were cooking, you were just going on sipping on coffee.
Yes.
So the love for coffee made this happen.
Yes. So the love for coffee makes this happen, and that's how the interest gained in learning about all different types of food. You know, with coffee, you need to have some other food items as well, right? The savory items, sweet items. So all are handpicked and all have been standardized.
Very carefully curated menu.
Curated menu, and it's all kept in mind for the taste of the consumer.
Right. So this is the mushroom croissant indaka which we prepared. See, idi me chuste, this is some amazingly baked croissant as well. There's a lot of flakes, a lot of layers, and even the stuffing. Either thin ga, either chesekonda, there's a lot of stuffing inside. So let me dig into this. This is so creamy.
Yeah.
It's melting, and that caramelized taste. But it's really smooth. It's not, how do I say, it doesn't feel very cheesy.
Yeah.
Even though we mixed with the cream cheese and the mushroom, it's not very cheesy. I can still taste the mushroom.
Yeah. So the mushroom absorbs the cheese into it, and it gives you the flavorful taste that is perfect and ideal for the mushroom and cheese croissant.
Make sure when you visit Brewtiful, you come and order for this dish. It's yum. I'm sure you all enjoyed watching this episode of Kitchen Stories with Soumya on Telugu One Food. Keep watching this space for more updates.